There's a lot of things that surprised me from starting as in chemical engineering as a freshman, even to the point when I graduated. I think a lot of the times when we think of chemical engineering, we think of oil and gas and big industries, specialty chemicals, things like that. And while lots of people do get careers in those, I think we don't often think about all the other things that we can do with the degree. I was really excited about learning that, hey, I could go work on consumer products, I can work on snacks, I can work on these things that are tangible products that people can pick up, look at, enjoy, and really relate to what I do in a day-to-day basis. I think that was something that shocked me in a really, really good way. I also think that one thing as I've gotten out into industry and also talked to some of my peers that I graduated with is it's really surprising when we really see how much we use some of those fundamentals. And I think that that makes our careers so enriching because there's so many different things that we can work on. There's so many different projects and we can really make an impact on every step of the way. I promise that not everyone who graduates from chemical engineering is working on distillation towers and liquid-liquid extraction all the time. We do a lot of different things and can bring that way of thinking into different areas. Don't get too bogged down in the details of your classes and all of that, or don't get discouraged when a certain class doesn't necessarily go the way that you had planned. Try your best to learn all of the fundamentals you can and bring out of those classes, but know that there are so many different ways that we actually bring those into practice when we actually get out into industry. Think about what it can do for you and the kind of careers that you can have, because I promise there's a lot more out there than you're originally thinking of when you hear the term chemical engineer. What sets Gator Engineering apart is that they emphasize both sides of what we need to become good professionals. In chemical engineering, one of the earlier classes that is taught now is a professional development seminar. So getting to see those careers that we can have and the skills that those people bring, not just technical, but also on what we sometimes refer to as the soft skills side, is impactful for us to see when we're young. I think that Gator engineers really get emphasized on both sides. Not only do we have top-notch professors, we're going to learn all of the important skills, technical fundamentals and everything, and then get to actually go put those into practice in our labs. But we're also given so many opportunities to develop everything else. Gator Engineering has awesome design teams. Gator Engineering has awesome student organizations. And I think beyond that, what Gator Engineering does is it emphasizes that being involved in other things is also good for us. And I think that's what sets us apart.